Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes fixed Windows 11 File Explorer crashing. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click File Explorer options. Open File Explorer to this PC. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click File Explorer options. Check Show recently used files in Quick Access and also check Show frequently used folders in Quick Access, click Clear. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. If any pending restart required after Windows Update. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc /scanno. Type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Click Windows Explorer, click Restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.